Thunder ticket down number one, right?
Number one.
Let's see how many we can get today.
Oh, we are back, guys, in Ohio now. How about it, Obe?
Wow.
Morning, Obe.
We are back in Ohio. Yes, this morning is a little rough for me.
Me too.
But we are back in Ohio. Finally, back on our homeland. On the dam that didn't take. The place where we got the first pictures ever of Outward Outdoors with a Tom.
Just any generation that's I've ever been out here, I was like, you know what, Obe? We're going to specifically put a trail camera out to try to see a Tom. Lo and behold, 3 days after we put the cameras out, we checked it, and we had a Tom on this location and one on another. And then just had an idea of like where the strut zones were going to be or where they might possibly be traveling. And so we're going to sneak in here, listen a little bit, and see if we can hear where he's gobbling at on the roost. We just got in from Huntington late last night. Not too late last night, but too late to roost them. But hopefully we hear some gobbles this morning. I don't know. It's 40 degrees, clear morning.
Dude, it's not
wind.
even 35 degrees. No wind,
I'm
though.
trying to make it feel better.
No wind, though. No wind, though. It's not going to be bad. It's actually going to be a beautiful morning for the birds.
Yeah.
They're going to love it. I think they're going to be gobbling up a storm.
It is clear as crap.
Yeah. I think we're going to hear a lot of gobbles because you're going to be able to
Yeah.
hear a lot today.
Yeah. So we got a little bit of a walk in, so we're going to get ready, drink some coffee,
Get a camera set up.
and head on out. Hopefully we check back in with a couple gobbles.
Oh, we're definitely going to get a couple gobbles, but we're going to get a bird down, so stay tuned.
We're in the blind. It's getting really loud with some gobbles here early this morning in Ohio. First day in Ohio, early morning here. It's probably about 6:20. They're on the roost still. It's a hot morning. Live action. Good thing they're not close yet. If you see our original set right here, we had like a little ground round. Perfect. It's still early in the morning. Most everything's spread out with the hens. We had birds gobbling everywhere this morning, from behind us, in front of us, left, right. So we're gonna drift down where we still hear one gobbling, where we've had them on camera before. See if we can make an aggressive push. In the worst case scenario, we could circle back. We'll leave our setup because we float called here. So we're gonna go see what we can hear or see. Blind. So there's a lot of distance between them.
Yeah, oh yeah.
But this is a place they come.
We know they come here. We can hang out. Yeah, oh, I guess.
and we'll get sturdy up in there.
We got the show. We got everything laid out for tomorrow. We got the camera, we got the iPad, we got the Osmo, the headlamps, all the batteries. We have the GoPro, the Tacticam, the turkey tote. We are getting everything all packed up. We got all the camo out, the turkey vests, different book bags here. So I'm gonna portion out some different camera equipment. In the morning, we're gonna meet up. Me, my dad, Obe, Nate are all gonna meet up, and I think Obe and Dad are gonna split up and go together, and they're gonna take some camera equipment, and then Nate and I are gonna split up and take some camera equipment, and hopefully Dad can video Obe getting a bird, and I can video Nate getting a bird, possibly a double. So Dad got a bird earlier this week, so he's done. What that wasn't on footage, but I'm done work now, so can focus fully on getting these turkeys. So I'm gonna finish wrapping up. I gotta pack the truck up, and we're gonna meet at like 5:15 in the morning and get set up on those birds pretty early. So we got an idea where they're roosting. So finish getting everything distributed out, and we'll check back in the morning, guys. All right, we're getting ready. Got Jesse in the front, Nate driving. I'm in the back, squeezed in Luca's car seat. We got the truck all ready to go. We're headed out to our spot now. We're getting out early, so definitely everything should still be asleep. We got an idea. We've seen a couple in the field here already, so hopefully we're gonna get the camera stuff all set up and see if we can get a big bird down for Nate. Possibly even a double. We'll have the guns ready, so looks like a perfect morning for them to be gobbling. What are your predictions, Jesse?
Saw one in the field here yesterday. A friend of mine breeding a hen about 7:30, I would guess. So, which never happens. They probably won't do the same thing twice, but we're gonna give it a try and hope it happens like it did yesterday.
Bird down 6:45.
45, 7:30.
7:30.
7:30.
Alrighty. All right, guys, as you saw this morning, what an awesome hunt. That's about as close as you can get and as much action as you can get without even taking a shot. But I mean, that happens. It shows you the true nature of turkey hunting and why it's so hard and when you get one, why it's so rewarding. I mean, he was at the dreaded 80-yard gap for an hour and 40 minutes. Stopped calling, called hard to him, nothing would do it. Another tom goblin, hens up above, nothing drew him together. So